Welcome to Housekeeping Master. If you have ever lived or traveled abroad in countries with 220-volt power systems, you know the struggle of finding reliable kitchen appliances. Today we are looking at the Vonshef 10-cup rice cooker, a specialized unit designed specifically for the international market. Before we dive into the specs, let me be absolutely clear about one thing. This appliance is built for 220 to 240-volt outlets. It will not work in North America, the United States, or Canada. If you try to plug this into a standard American wall socket, it simply will not function. Now, for those of you living in Europe, Africa, Asia, or the Middle East, this machine is a genuine workhorse. It features a 1.8-liter capacity, which is large enough to cook up to 10 cups of rice in a single cycle. This makes it an excellent choice for large families, hosting dinner parties, or people who enjoy batch cooking for the entire week. What really stands out here is the simplicity of the design. You do not get a cluttered dashboard with unnecessary bells and whistles. Instead, you get a clean, one-touch control panel. You add your rice and water, press the cook button, and the machine takes care of the rest. Once the cooking cycle is finished, it automatically switches over to the keep warm function. This is a vital feature because it ensures your rice stays at the perfect temperature until you are ready to serve, without drying out or burning at the bottom of the pot. The inner pot features a non-stick coating, which is a major plus. Cleaning up after a sticky batch of jasmine or basmati rice is incredibly easy because the grains do not fuse to the surface. Plus, the inner surface includes clear measurement guidelines, which helps take the guesswork out of water ratios. The bundle is also quite thoughtful. It comes with the necessary 2-round and 3-pin electrical adapters for various global socket types, along with a measuring cup and a serving spoon. Let us talk about performance. In my testing, the motor is powerful enough to deliver fluffy rice in about 20 to 25 minutes. It handles various grains, including Arborio and long grain, with consistent results. On the pros side, the capacity is generous, the operation is foolproof, and the build quality feels durable. The inclusion of travel adapters is a nice touch that saves you an extra trip to the store. On the cons side, it is a single-purpose device. If you are looking for a multi-cooker that can steam vegetables or bake cakes, you might want to look elsewhere. It is also bulky, so it will take up a fair amount of counter space in smaller kitchens. In conclusion, if you are located in a region with 220-volt power and you want a no-nonsense rice cooker that gets the job done efficiently every single time, the Vonshef 10-cup model is a reliable addition to your kitchen. It is straightforward, durable, and gets the texture of the rice right every time. Link in the description.